Hey guys, how you going? This is Mike Hilsden from the Chatbot agency, just taking you through our real estate agent funnel, and we're utilising Facebook ads to obviously drag the sellers in for this one, and at the same time provide a market report that they can look at, and then obviously there's a reason to follow up for the agent. So we'll get the show on the road. So here's what the ad will look like. We've been utilising this type of content inside the ad. We're now segmenting the lead right now. Are they an owner, a home buyer, or actually an investor? So at this point they're going to get the report. They just have to click the download report. That will now fire through. That's just downloaded from one of our web views, so you don't need smart FTP setup and all that kind of stuff. So they'll get the report. The buyer, or in this case the homeowner, is tagged, and there can be a follow-up automation sequence after that. So we've asked them if they wanted to get further information, of course, and this is where we start turning that lead into a warm lead, and obviously this is someone looking to sell, and we'll obviously ask the obvious questions around that. This is available, this template, inside the AdsThatChat platform. All you got to do is be registered and have an account, and you can basically pull this into your for your own chatbot and your own Facebook page, and lead off from there. We will provide how-to videos and all that kind of lovely stuff, and even ideas around how to use this in real-life strategy. So the thank you piece here is effectively, taking them further onto the journey, where they can. In this case, we're going to show the contact details. We're going to here go straight into, in this case, Jessie's web view, where she can put all her listings. So guys, this is using a widget inside the AdsThatChat platform. Okay, so you can put all your data in there, and it looks very professional. You don't actually need a website anymore. Of course, you've got locations to where all the listings are, and to get in touch, just drop in a form. This is also an automated response form, so they will receive a response from you once they've gone through the form process. Of course, the calendar book now one is it's quite a favourite, and we're getting most of our bookings following this particular process right now. And of course, to get Jessie's stuff running viral, we've got a share in there, so people can start writing some nice stuff inside their posts. Then of course we've got live chat, and this is where you can leave a little note for Jessie, and basically it's taking you outside of the chatbot, and then away we go. And to get out of there, of course, and back into the contact details, all we got to do is, once this has gone through, okay, there we go, throw some emojis in, very good. It's just type in agent. Okay, so that's the keyword to get it out of that, and straight back into the contact details. So guys, that's it. That is a chatbot template that you can use inside the AdsThatChat platform. All you got to do is customize it for your own business. Anyway, that's me, Mike Hilsden, signing out. Feel free to get in touch, and don't forget to register at AdsThatChat and start building your own chatbots, guys. Cheers. Bye now.